Hi, welcome to this course on the fundamentals of Google Cloud Platform. My name is Janakiram MSV and I am the instructor for this course. I am currently a Google developer expert on cloud and IoT as well as a Google certified professional cloud architect. I have been working with GCP since 2013. As a practicing architect and technical advisor, I have helped many businesses take advantage of GCP. I am excited to bring you the fundamentals of GCP, one of the fastest growing cloud platforms in the industry. This course is meant for beginners who are looking for a thorough overview of GCP. Since Google Cloud has over 100 products and services, I picked up the most important services that are essential for you to get started. Each section of this course introduces some of the important services based on essential themes such as compute, storage, and networking. In the next lecture, let me give you the big picture of the course and help you understand how this is structured and how to get the best out of the course.